Take off.
Okay, hey guys, welcome back. I'm doing another little quick bridge flight. Sitting out here at the Devon bridge. Hang on, I gotta...
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Apparently a few more people than I thought here. As you can see, there's quite a bit of traffic there, and behind me they're parked all the way up the hill. And if you look across on the other side, you can actually see that there's a whole bunch of cars parked over there on the other side of the bridge as well. Anyway, we'll raise it up a little bit higher here, so we'll get it out of the noise for me, and we'll get it above the bridge. We do have a flight restriction here of 150 feet, so I will abide by that. I am presently at 99 feet from my point of elevation, and looks pretty cool. There you can see the Devon bridge, and we'll see if we can... There we go. A nice view of the southbound lanes, and we'll pan around a little bit more here so you can see where it starts. Now, this point here where it starts, this is where I have to throw a little bit of history in. Right where the traffic is going over, that is a point back in 1908, I believe it was, where there was a gold claim here, and the guy was pulling out a horrendous amount of gold, and it was in the seam basically equivalent to this bridge that's going across, and he was making a heck of a lot of money. So I don't know, 3,000 a day back then, which would equate to about 300,000 a day now, I guess. Anyway, that's what it looked like. And then of course you can see there's a lot of people down there on the river edge, and they're actually playing. So we're going to be daring, and we're going to fly the bird to the other side. Oh, there's even a boat going across the river. Okay, so I kind of want to have... Well, we'll do it that way. Let's see if it'll fly. I'll fly out and then forward a bunch. So as you see, we're actually getting over the river here. So we'll fly her over to the other side, and we'll see how that works. Still at 100 feet, so that gives us a pretty good idea. And there we go. And now I'll turn the birdie around a little bit. There you can see we're on the other side. You can see that parking lot on the other side of the bridge there, just packed, and lots of cars on this side as well. So that's the bridge. That's pretty cool. And as I mentioned, that's the side where they got a lot of gold out of. Now also, I'm actually standing, I don't know if you can see me, standing kind of on the curve over at the other end. Anyway, I got a guy pulling into where I was taking off from, so I'll have to be careful with my landing. Anyway, if we pan a little bit more, I'm trying to get myself into a position where I can see, we can look down and as you see the river curve, the actual location down there, that's called Prospector's Point. And it's where a lot of prospectors go nowadays to get the gold. A lot of gold in this area. So anyway, we'll fly it maybe that way a little bit and see what we can do. I cannot see the bird from here, but oh yeah, actually I can. I see it flying. And oh, headed a little bit more over the river. And there you can see we're flying towards Prospector's Point. And it looks pretty cool over there. You can see some the river flow and some more boats coming. And interesting stuff. Well, it's pretty cool. Okay, so I've lost cancel and lost connection, so I'm going to try to fly her back towards me here a little bit, and we'll see if we can get it back to my side of the river. As we see the boat cruising along in our shot there. That looks pretty good. And, my bird's chasing along after the boat. Mind you, we're only going about 17 miles an hour, so it's pretty neat to see. Okay, I still don't see the drone. Mind you, it's awful sunny there, so it might be right in front of me here somewhere and I can't see it. Oh, I see it now. All right. I don't know if you can see me, but we'll fly it a little closer here. I don't know if you can see me down there. There. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, we'll bring it a little bit closer. Actually, I'll bring it down a bunch. And then we'll get it closer to me. And then I got to be careful with where I land here, so. And we'll have a one little quick pan around here so we can see where we are. Lots of people, whoop, the other way. Lots of people on the beach of the river there. That looks pretty cool. And all the way down to Prospector's Point. And then if we spin it around the other way, and there we can see the south side of the Devon Bridge. And then of course here we have more people over in the park area, and this is the north side of the bridge where all the gold used to be. So anyway, looks pretty cool, and since we have the 150-foot restriction here, that's fine by me, but I am going to bring it back towards me. I can't see it. I need to look for it again. Oh, there it is. And there we go. We'll fly it this way. Okay, and here it comes. Oh, hey. Fancy meeting that out here. Ah, and we have another drone. Well, that's kind of interesting. I don't know if we can see it on the screen here or not, but yeah, we have another drone flying up there. Should I scare the guy and fly a little closer? I'll be nice. I'll just go over a little bit and freak him out. Well, I don't know what kind of drone it is, but looks pretty cool. Okay, so we'll go back over here where we were. Anyway, it's very warm out, so I kind of did what I wanted to, and we'll bring it back over, and we'll ooh, some fuzzies flying in there. I'll bring the guy down here. Okay, over a bit more and make sure we don't have too many vehicles in front of us. And we'll bring it down a bunch.
Landing. Landing.
Okay, well, I did in-flight capture, and the reason was I see guys who like birds. All right, guys, ladies, gentlemen, boys, girls, that's all the fun we're gonna have today on this flight, and I'm gonna walk back up the hill. Maybe I'll fly back up there. It'll be better. We'll try that. We'll wait till the traffic goes by. And
Either
hey,
looks like a car Sean would drive. And those are, if you ever got hit with those.
some folks walking by and other people driving. We'll start it up again.
Take off.
Oh yeah.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Oh, this is quite a hike. I don't remember walking down this far. Oh, wow. Downhill's always easier than uphill. Oh, what a trek all the way back up the hill. And just so you can see, this is where we are now. So yeah, quite a ways up. Anyway, do a quick pan around. There I am. Okay, and we'll set it down.
Landing.
Okay, that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. And that's the Devon Bridge. We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.